In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dev error 10493 in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So in case you're getting this error, this very annoying error, here's how we can fix it very easily. All you want to do is you want to go to My Games and Apps, okay? So simply click the My Games and Apps tab, and then you want to click on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. And then once you select the game, you want to click Manage Game and Add-ons, which looks something like this over here. And then after you go into this menu, you want to click on Saved Data, which should say 2 items in there or 1, it doesn't really matter. And there will be also some info about how many megabytes of that you have. That's not important, just so you know. And then once you do that, in there, you want to click on reserved space. Now, if there's 2 things in there, leave the first one alone and simply click on reserved space. Once you do this, you want to delete the reserved space and click clear reserved space. So it will probably give you this message, clear reserved space. If Call of Duty is running, this quits it, the game will reserve that space again the next time you launch it. Then you simply press clear reserved space, and that's it. And then, as you can see, you have to relaunch the game, so simply launch it again. And what's also important to say is that this will make you agree to the terms of service again, okay, to the 2OS, and a bit of other things as well. However, it will not require you to download and install the whole game again, which is huge, so you don't have to wait again for it to download and install. It will simply kind of offer you the option to agree to terms of service and something like that, okay? And if that error happens again after some time after you were playing, simply do that again. Navigate in here as I just showed you, delete that, and then once you've cleared reserved space, simply open up the game and you'll be able to play again. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.